Namaste students. Today we will start with the chapter 6 tissues. In the last chapter you have studied that all living organisms are made up of cells and cells are known as the structural and functional unit of life. In unicellular organism a single cell performs all basic functions, whereas in multicellular organism there are millions of cells, and these millions of cells, according to their structure and specific function, they organize themselves to form tissues. Now let's study about tissues. First of all, what are tissues? Tissues are a group of cells that are similar in structure and work together to perform a particular function. For example, blood, xylem, muscle, phloem, nervous tissue, they are a type of different tissues. Blood, muscles, they are tissues present in the animal. Xylem, phloem, they are the tissues present in the plants. Now, what is the utility of tissue in multicellular organism? In multicellular organism, there are millions of cells and these cells aggregate to form tissues. In multicellular organism, different tissues perform different type of function. So, it means that in multicellular organism, tissues show division of labor. And due to this, specific tissues perform specific function and gives the highest possible efficiency of function. For example, muscle tissue is made up of muscle cells, and these muscle cells, they are specialized in structure and function to help in locomotion and movement. So in the body of the animal, only muscle tissue can help in locomotion and movement. Another example, human brain is made up of nerve cells, and nerve cells, they aggregate to form nervous tissue. Now these nervous tissue are specialized for conduction of the nerve impulse. So no other cells present in the body or no other tissue present in the human body can help in the conduction of nerve impulse. This is the specialization only of nervous tissue. Next topic is difference between plants and animal tissues. Do plants and animals have the same structure? No, we have studied about the plant cell and animal cell. They have some difference in their structure. Do they both, plants and animals, perform similar function? No. Plants and animals, they perform different functions according to their habitat and their mode of nutrition. All of you know plants are autotrophic and animals are heterotrophic. Plants, they are stationary, they cannot move from one place to another, whereas animals, they show movement and locomotion. So on the basis of these habits, there is a huge difference between the plant tissues and the animal tissues. In plants, most of the tissues are dead because they provide support to the plant for their sedentary habit so that they can stand upright. Whereas in multicellular animals, most of the tissues are living, which help in movement and locomotion and for performing other function. Because in plants, most of the tissues are made up of dead cells, so they need less energy for their maintenance. Whereas in animals, most of the tissues are made up of living cells, so they need more energy and maintenance. In plants, there is differentiation of dividing and non-dividing regions, means the regions which can show growth and the regions which do not show growth. So the regions which show growth, which consist of living cell, they are known as the meristematic tissues. They consist of meristematic tissues, and which are made up of dead cells and mainly provide support to the plant, are known as permanent tissue. In animals, such differentiation of living and non-living tissue, living and dead cell tissue, is absent. Due to presence of meristematic tissue and permanent tissue, so growth in plant is limited to only certain regions where meristematic tissue is present, and the growth take place throughout the life. Whereas in animals, growth is uniform and growth take place only up to a certain age. After maturity, no growth occurs. Structural organization of plant tissue is simple, whereas structural organization of animal tissue is complex. Further, tissues, they organize to form organ, and organs, they organize to form organ system. Tissue organization in plants is meant for stationary habit of the plants, whereas tissue organization is meant for active locomotion in animals.